Hey guys, welcome back to Millionaire Headquarters Hub. Today we're diving into a topic I know you've been waiting for, my favorite stocks and exactly how I picked them. These are the companies that have made me millions and more importantly, helped me build long-term wealth. If you're serious about making money in the stock market, you need to stick around because I'm breaking it all down in a way that anyone can understand. And trust me, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's about smart investing, picking great companies, and holding on for the long haul. So if you're ready to learn how I pick winning stocks, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, before we jump into my favorite stocks, let me explain how I invest. My strategy is simple, buy and hold. I don't day trade, I don't chase hype. I focus on quality companies, buy their stock, and hold on to them for years, sometimes even decades. This lets my money grow through compound interest, dividends, and long-term market growth. But how do I actually pick stocks? Well, I follow 5 key rules when looking for a great business. These rules help me identify companies that have long-term success written all over them. Now let me talk about my 5 rules for picking great stocks. I learned this from some great teachers. 1. A great business should be easy to explain. If you can't explain what a company does in one sentence, that's a red flag. A great business should be simple. Think about Apple. They make iPhones, MacBooks, and other tech products. Easy. If a company's business model is too complicated, it's usually a sign of unnecessary risk. 2. A great business has brand recognition. Companies with strong brands make it easier for customers to trust and buy from them. If people immediately know the name of the company and what they do, that's a huge advantage. Think about McDonald's, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. These brands are so well known that people automatically choose them over competitors. 3. Great businesses never go out of style and sell products that require little to no updating. Some businesses fade over time, but great ones stay relevant for decades. Think about Coca-Cola. They've been selling the same soda since the 1800s. The formula never changes. That's what I mean by never going out of style. Compare that to a tech startup that constantly needs to update and innovate just to survive. I prefer companies that sell timeless products that don't require constant reinvention. 4. Great businesses sell products or services that people buy again and again. This is a big one. The best companies don't rely on one-time purchases. They make money over and over again from the same customers. Think about Apple as people buy a new iPhone every few years, or Microsoft as businesses pay for Office 365 every month. Subscription models and repeat purchases are what make a company super profitable. 5. Great businesses have pricing power. The best companies can raise prices without losing customers. McDonald's is a perfect example of this. They've increased the price of a Big Mac so many times over the years and people still buy them. That's because McDonald's has brand loyalty and affordability on its side. Apple is another example. iPhones get more expensive, but people still line up to buy them. This ability to raise prices without scaring away customers is called pricing power, and it's a must-have for any stock I buy. Next, I want to talk about some of my favorite stocks applying these rules. 1. Amazon, AMZN, the e-commerce and cloud giant. First up, Amazon. I love Amazon. Why? Because it's everywhere. It dominates online shopping, cloud computing with AWS, and even digital advertising. Amazon's revenue just keeps growing and the company keeps finding ways to expand. I mean, think about it. How many people do you know that don't shop on Amazon? Exactly. Even though Amazon's stock price can be volatile, I see it as a long-term winner because people aren't going to stop shopping online. Plus, AWS is a money-making machine. That's why I hold Amazon in my portfolio. Amazon checks every box. A. Easy to explain. They sell products online and power the internet with AWS. B. Brand recognition. Amazon is a household name. C. Never goes out of style. People always shop online. D. Repeat purchases. Prime members keep coming back. Get our pricing power. They control the e-commerce market and can charge sellers higher fees. That's why Amazon is a long-term winner for me. 2. McDonald's, MCD, more than just burgers. Next, we've got McDonald's. Now I know what you're thinking. Josh, it's just fast food. Nope. McDonald's is actually one of the biggest real estate companies in the world. They own the land where their restaurants sit, and franchise owners pay them rent. That's passive income on a massive scale. Plus, people love McDonald's because it's affordable and everywhere. With strong revenue and one of the best dividend payouts, McDonald's is a perfect long-term investment. McDonald's is the perfect example of all 5 rules, easy to explain. They sell fast food, simple. Brand recognition. That Golden Arches logo is instantly recognizable. Never goes out of style. People always eat burgers and fries. Repeat customers. Millions of people eat at McDonald's every single day. Pricing power. They raise prices and people still buy Big Macs. McDonald's is legendary for a reason. It's one of my favorite stocks for long-term wealth. 3. Apple AAPL, the king of tech. If I had to pick one stock to hold for, it would be Apple. Apple makes insanely good products, iPhones, MacBooks, AirPods, and people are addicted to them. But here's the real kicker. Apple makes billions from services like the App Store, iCloud, and Apple Music. Their ecosystem is so strong that once someone buys an iPhone, they stay with Apple for years. That's why Apple is a money printing machine and one of my favorite long-term plays. Apple follows all 5 of my stock picking rules, which is why it's one of my biggest holdings. The brand is iconic, people love their products, and they always come back for more. Plus, Apple can raise prices anytime and still sell millions of devices. They are currently facing some issues with China sales, but I trust the leadership to shift where necessary and continue to grow. 4. VOO and VTI, my favorite index funds. Okay, let's talk index funds because not everyone wants to pick individual stocks. 2 of my favorites are VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, and VTI, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. VOO follows the S&P 500, meaning you own a piece of the 500 biggest companies in the US. VTI gives you exposure to the entire US stock market, including small and mid-sized companies. These funds are perfect for passive investors because they let you own the market without worrying about picking stocks. And guess what? Over time, the stock market has always gone up. If you don't want to pick individual stocks, just buy VOO or VTI. These ETFs let you own hundreds of great companies without needing to do all the research. 5. Microsoft, MSFT, Nvidia, NVDA, Tempest AI, and crypto. These companies also follow my rules. Microsoft, businesses need it and customers subscribe to its services. Nvidia, the best chip maker with insane brand loyalty. Tempest AI, a promising AI healthcare company. Crypto BTCETH high risk but follows some rules like brand recognition and strong demand. Alright guys, that's my list. If you want to build serious wealth, focus on quality investments, hold for the long term, and don't panic when the market dips. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite stock or crypto. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Keep building that wealth.